Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back. My name is Diamond and thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm just starting out, well, not really. I've had my channel for a few months, but every time you guys watch my videos, I just get so excited. And my last videos have been doing pretty good for, what I consider to be good. But today I'm doing something a little bit different. When I signed up for Boxycharm in November and I opted to do Boxyluxe, they decided to send me a starter kit. So I didn't actually want to order this, but they sent it to me anyway. Not free or anything, I paid for it. But yeah, so I haven't looked in here yet. I normally peek a little bit, but I'm really excited to see what I got. So let's get to unboxing. And there is a card and tells us what's in here. I have no idea on what could be in here or anything. There's no spoilers, but it looks like we got a palette. So if you saw my last video, this is the same brand, Hip Dot, as that came in the December Boxyluxe. But it's obviously a different palette, and it looks like I might like this one a little bit more. Oh yeah, that is gorgeous. It's kind of mixed up a little bit. But those colors, I think I will get a lot more use out of. It's a little bit darker. The colors are a little darker than what is showing up on camera, but that is really, really pretty. I'm going to go ahead and swatch. Oh, let's swatch this purple. It looks really, really nice. So I have some leftover foundation on the back of my hand. Just to warn you, it kind of looks silly, but there's that. That's a really pretty one. And how about this pinky one? It's called Mystery. Oh, it's very, very pigmented. It's darker than it looks in the pan. It looks a little lighter on camera, but okay, so that's really exciting. Okay, I can't wait to see what else is in here. Just gonna take this off. Okay, so I'm seeing a tomato serum. Oh, I won't be able to use this. I have a sensitivity to tomatoes. But that's really interesting. It says, tomato serum is a highly concentrated treatment serum. The hydrating formula visibly reduces the appearance of imperfections and improves the look of skin texture for a soft, they misspelled it, smooth and clarified complexion. Okay, so it has a safety seal. I'm not going to open this because I know I can't use it. But I will save this. I'll pass it along to someone else or put it in a future giveaway. Because I do giveaways on my channel, so if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe so that you can, so that you can be notified and, maybe win. I just had a winner, the 15th, so I think she was really excited. Okay, so next in here we have something from Fenty Beauty. It's the Kilowatt Foil Freestyle Highlighter Duo. So I'm excited to get Fenty. Last year I think it was, or maybe early this year, they had a complete Fenty box for the premium month. So I got a lot of Fenty Beauty, which I was really impressed by all of it. I couldn't use all of it, but what I could use I really liked. Oh, oh my goodness. Look at those. That is gorgeous. I've never had a highlighter that's like an icy blue. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it. I'll get a clean finger. Wow. This is beautiful. I think these might be they're right down here. I don't know that I would use these as highlighters, but I think I would get use out of these as eyeshadows. Okay, so I'm really excited to have that. And last in here is something from Gravity, a weighted sleep mask with weighted beads for up to 1 pound of evenly distributed pressure. That's cool. So it has a weighted insert. So I guess maybe if you didn't want the weighted part, you could just use it as a regular sleeping mask. I have a weighted blanket I got for my birthday from my fiance. He got it for me just to snuggle up with because, I struggle with depression and stuff, and so they're supposed to be good for that, to help you kind of sleep and everything. So, I really like it. If you've been thinking about getting one, I would recommend it. But this is pretty neat. It doesn't feel heavy or anything, so, you know, it wouldn't feel heavy on your face, but, you know, they said up to 1 pound. Oh, I'm getting stuff on it. Oh, no. Okay, but anyway, so that's that, and that was the last thing I got. So this was just a starter kit, like they said, so it doesn't have, like, I think it's 8 full-size products like the Boxyluxe. But yeah, this is so really exciting. I'm happy with what I got. So thank you again for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you want to subscribe or like or comment, it really does make my day. So thank you, and hopefully I'll see you in another one. Bye.